Monday reset.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my call. Next day you hit me back, but nothing happened. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that.
Okay. Stop laughing at your sister. You being a meanie.
Chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me. Chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through. I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls who love you like I do. Can afford to give up.
Be honest, I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. Like, I really want to go home, shower, snuggle up with my phone, and go to sleep. I am exhausted, but I can't go to sleep because I got to do homework. My kids got to eat, bathe. Tell you, mom life, it has its perks. It's a never-ending job. No matter how tired you are, how sick you are, you still got to carry on. Every day, all day. Currently waiting for my daughter to get out of school. She probably running her mouth with her friends, per usual. That's what she does after school. So y'all, this is how the chicken tenders came out. Cakes over here, these are done, so I'm about to pull these out, put some new ones in. I'll go pull a starter out of the tub. Malachi?
It's busting.
Yes, it's good.
Yes, I'm gonna have it if I eat this.
Oh, you got me. Chasing waterfalls.
So if you made it in this vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a blue heart in the comments down below. Catch you in the next one, which is tomorrow. Bye.